Glossy box. This is my first time receiving it. I got the deal where the first box is $1 if you do the annual subscription, and every month after that for the next 11 months it's $16, which I believe includes the shipping. From what I remember, I believe it comes with 5 full-size items. I could be wrong, there could be some trial sizes included in that. And if you don't go with the annual and you do monthly, it's $18. But I also remember that you could order a one-time special edition box for $20, which should have 5 full-size items in it. Maybe not as well, but we'll see. I'll gather some more information and I'll include it in the description below. So let's go ahead and get into my box and see what I received. Now I really like the look of this box. It's a sturdy box and it has a really pretty design, which would be really nice for a gift. It does, although, say Glossy box on the side, but it's a very nice box. This is the inside of the box. And this is the card that comes with the description of the items that will be in the box, or could be in the box. Of course, you wouldn't get all the items. Okay, so the first item that I'm pulling out is Uriageusa. Let me open this up here and see what it says about this. Okay, so this is packaged directly at the source in the French Alps and filled with mineral salts. This skincare water is just what you need to moisture, soothe, and protect your skin. It's perfect for those hot summer days ahead. This is a travel size 50 milliliter for $3.50. So that'd be nice to spritz yourself while you're out at the beach. And the next item is Polaar Night Revitalizing Mask with boreal algae. This item is not on the card. So in the description below, I'll include a little information about this because I really have no information to go with. And the next item is a brow gel in Cardamom. So you can see that brown color there with my black hair. So I certainly won't open that, and it will probably end up in a giveaway. There is no information on the card, so again, I'll look up some information and include it below. The next item is this Aveda Nutriplenish leave-in conditioner, just to mist your hair damp or dry. Detangle and style as usual for fine to medium hair. And this is a travel size for 30 milliliters and runs for $12. So far we have 3 trial size and 1 full size in a brow gel that won't work for me. Okay, so the next item is a Earth Harbor serum. So let me go ahead and take this out of the box. Okay, so this is a full size item. And it runs for $48. You just apply it into your skin after cleansing and toning. It's for pollutants and daily skin stressors. This ampoule is a necessity for skin in need of after sun replenish. Bold defense against the elements. So we have that one full size. And then the next item is a mineral bath salt. And this one is a 2.1 ounce, so it's $4, and it's Valerian and Hops Mineral Bath Salt Dream Away. Okay, so a quick recap is the mineral bath salt, the water mist spray, the face mask, the brown eyebrow gel, leave-in conditioner, and then the Earth Harbor ampoule. So what do you think? Do you think this was a very, very nice box, a horrible box, or so-so? I myself am okay with it. Whether I paid $1 or $16, the products are worth over $16. And I'm sure throughout the year I'll get some products that I really love, and it's definitely going to be worth $16. So that's all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.